Hey growers, quick heads up before we dig in. This video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. We're talking about horticulture, plant science, and soil biology here. We're not promoting or instructing anyone to grow anything where it's not legal. Cool? Cool. Now before we start, hit that like button and subscribe if you love learning how to make your plants thrive. Apparently, 72% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. I mean, what's up with that? You watch, you learn, maybe even talk to your plants at night, but you won't commit? Don't be shy. Hit that button. And for those who have subscribed already, thank you. You're the root system keeping this channel alive. Alright, now let's get to it. Today we're diving below the surface into the mysterious, slightly dirty world of roots. Yes, the part of your plant you almost never see, unless things go really wrong. Let's talk roots. Most beginners focus on what's above the soil. Big green leaves, juicy flowers, shiny stems. But the real action? It's all happening underground like some secret subterranean rave. Your plant's roots are basically the power lines, plumbing and Wi-Fi connection, all rolled into one. They suck up water, nutrients, and oxygen. They anchor your plant so it doesn't flop over in a light breeze. And they even talk to microbes. Yeah, your roots are social butterflies in the soil world. If your roots are unhappy, your plant will let you know by throwing a tantrum. Slow growth, droopy leaves, sad vibes all around. So let's make sure those roots stay happy, healthy, and ready to party. The root family. Meet the three main characters in the root family sitcom: the taproot, the laterals, and the adventitious cousin. Taproot. This one's the OG. It's the first to show up at germination, dives straight down like it's looking for buried treasure, and gives the plant stability and deep access to water. It's basically the family backbone. Lateral roots. These are the networkers, spreading sideways like extroverts at a garden party. Their job? Slurp up as much water and nutrients as possible and call in beneficial microbes for backup. Adventitious roots. These are the weird cousins that grow on stems, especially in clones. They're like, hey, we weren't invited, but we're here anyway. And honestly, we're glad they showed up. What healthy roots look like. Alright, so how do you know if your roots are living their best life? Here's your visual checklist. Color. Healthy roots should be bright white or off-white. If they're brown, black, or smell like swamp socks, you've got problems. Texture. They should be soft and flexible, not brittle or slimy. Structure. They should look fibrous and dense, evenly spread throughout the soil like spaghetti done right. Not overcooked, not clumpy. Smell. Good roots smell earthy and fresh. Bad roots smell like regret. If you ever peek into your pot and the roots look like a horror movie prop, it's time to act fast. The big four root influencers' roots are divas. They demand perfect conditions: pH, oxygen, temperature, and humidity. Let's unpack that. 1. pH levels. Roots are picky eaters. If the pH is off, nutrients lock up faster than a teenager's bedroom door. For soil grows, aim for a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. For hydroponics, a touch lower, 5.5 to 6.5. Get it wrong and your roots start ghosting essential nutrients like nitrogen and potassium. 2. Oxygen roots breathe. Yep, they need oxygen too. If your soil is compacted or you're drowning your plants with too much love, aka overwatering, you're suffocating them. Use light, airy soil with perlite or cocoa coir. Think fluffy, not swampy. 3. Temperature. Roots like it cozy, not freezing, not sweating. The sweet spot is 68 to 72 degrees. That's 20 to 22 degrees. Too cold, and roots get sluggish. Too hot, and oxygen bails out of the water faster than your friend who forgot their wallet at dinner. 4. Humidity. Seedlings and vegging plants love 60–75% humidity. But when flowering starts, dial it down to 40–60%. That keeps roots active without encouraging mold to move in and start a colony. Soil, hydro, or aero, the root environments. Now let's look at how to keep roots thriving in different grow styles. Soil growers, you're the classic type. You like the earthy feel, the smell of compost in the morning. Use a well-aerated mix with perlite or pumice. Only water when the top inch of soil is dry. Your finger is your best moisture meter. And make sure those pots drain. Roots hate sitting in puddles. They want a drink, not a bath. Hydroponic growers. You're basically raising plants in a bubble spa. Keep those air stones bubbling. Roots love oxygenated water. Maintain temps between 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean your reservoir often and invite some beneficial bacteria like trichoderma to help fight off fungal bad guys. And yes, clean your equipment. Don't be that grower with green slime colonies setting up shop. Aeroponic growers. You're the high-tech crowd. You've got roots misted like they're at a fancy spa resort. Keep that mist consistent, maintain your nutrient balance, and check regularly for discoloration. A little slime buildup? Not cute. Scrub that system before it turns into a horror scene. Supercharging root growth. Want monster plants? It starts with monster roots. Root stimulators. Think of these like energy drinks for your root system, full of vitamins, microbes, and enzymes that help roots expand like crazy. Mycorrhizal fungi. These guys are your underground allies. They wrap around the roots and help absorb nutrients and water more efficiently. It's like giving your plant a second digestive system that never complains. Proper watering. The #1 rookie mistake? Overwatering. If your pot feels light, water it. If it's heavy, step away. Don't drown your roots in love. Hydration should be deep and infrequent, just enough to make roots chase that moisture. Root problems and how to fix them before they break you. Let's go over the usual suspects in the lineup of root crimes. Root rot, slimy, brown, smelly. Usually caused by overwatering or poor aeration. Fix it by improving drainage, using beneficial microbes, and telling yourself, I will stop loving my plants to death. Root-bound plants. If your plant's roots are swirling around the pot like a confused octopus, it's root-bound. That means the plant has outgrown its space. The fix? Transplant it to a bigger pot and give those roots room to stretch. Overwatering, the silent killer of good intentions. Droopy leaves, yellowing, and slow growth. Yep, you're guilty. Let that soil dry out and maybe rethink your watering schedule. Root health wrap-up. If you want massive, thriving plants, stop obsessing over what's above ground for a second. Everything your plant does up top, those big leaves, fat buds, strong stems, all starts down below. Get your pH right. Keep that oxygen flowing. Manage your temps and humidity like a pro. Respect the roots, and they'll reward you with a harvest that makes your neighbors peek over the fence in envy. So remember, healthy roots equal happy plants, and happy plants equal a happy grower. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And again, if you're part of the mysterious 72% watching but not subscribing, come on, let's fix that. Join the Growers Tips family where we dig deeper, literally. Thanks for watching, keep those roots thriving, and I'll see you in the next one.